Hello, primary. Welcome to our assembly for Friday, September 25th. It was wonderful to welcome you all back to school on Monday and Tuesday and to see your enthusiasm and also to see how much you've grown since the last time we saw each other. On Monday was the International Day of Peace, and I know many of you in your classes have been learning about peace or having conversations, doing activities centered around peace. And so our assembly today has several contributions about peace. We also have the usual birthdays and some more welcomes. Enjoy the assembly, and I'll see you at the end. We have two new students to welcome to WIS this week. Joining 3G is Gert. He's from Namibia. And joining 5J is Casey, who comes from the USA. I hope that you've already made some friends this week and you are enjoying being at Windhoek International School. We wish you all the best, and now your classmates and fellow students at WIS will wish you well. 1, 2, 3, whoosh.
Peace is the amazing world that we live in. And peace is doing something that you like doing.
Hello, my name is Vernon Kjonkisting, and I'm here to talk with you about peace. First, to have peace, we need a symbiotic relationship with plants, animals, and nature. And we need everyone to play a role to have a good relationship in the community. And so we need everyone to have a fair share of money, water, and food. And people need to be happy and really care for everyone. And we should all know that peace means no fighting.
Peace is to live good and terms.
So peace is something like calm, and the waves, and the stars,
Peace is thoughts, good thoughts. Peace is calm. Peace is sleeping, so you can forget all the bad memories and make up new happy thoughts. Peace is calmness. Peace is meditation. We will bring ourselves to peace. Hello, my name is Justin and I want to tell you what peace is. Peace is when you're happy, when you're smiling, when you're not angry. It's peace that everyone can feel calm. What is peace? There is no war in the world.
Joy is like a happy person and feeling great. Love is like you really like someone, like your friends. Peace is spending time with others. Making this and every day of peace. The words are special for me because they describe peace and I like these words.
Good morning, primary, and my name is Faiza, and what we did on International Peace Day, which was on Monday, is that we made a poster or a slide, and I made a poster, and I will explain what I did. So, International Peace Day. The UN has made this day to celebrate peace. Peace is so important that if there wasn't peace, we would be hitting each other. A heart of gold equals peace. I see calmness, nature, lovingness, and no fights when I think of peace. My favorite quote, peace is not just an absence of conflict. Peace is the creation of an environment where all can flourish, by Nelson Mandela. A quote I made, be a piece of the world that helps make peace. It's a piece of cake. We can shape peace by starting with ourselves, then moving and giving on and giving peace to others, but still having peace in ourselves. When I think of the peace sign, I feel like it means the whole world, and everybody is holding hands. When I think of a heart, I feel calm, relaxed, and no matter what happens, there is always love behind every problem. And that was my presentation.
I enjoyed seeing the various presentations from different classes and hope you did too. I hope you have a peaceful week ahead and remember to be kind to each other. And we'll see you at school on Monday and see you at assembly next Friday.